Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2018 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless Pro. This particular boat is powered by a white Mercury Verado 350 digital throttle shift, a white blade power pole, an Atlas jack plate. As we enter the boat to the helm, you'll see flip-up bolster seats, lockable storage glove box, fusion stereo, active trim, jack plate up and down, Lenco trim tabs with indicator. This boat's unique because you can step up and drive from the upper station with full controls up top and gauges. Moving forward, you have a huge casting platform, flip up backrest with cushions, and a huge fish box. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2018 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless Pro. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.